Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and the person to add. This saves time and prevents errors. First, make sure your iPhone supports an alternate appearance or multiple Face ID entries and that iOS is updated. Once done, plug into power and enable stable Wi-Fi. Then position the second person in front of the camera, remove masks and heavy eyewear, use soft lighting, and hold the device steady. These steps improve scan accuracy, so the system learns the face cleanly and quickly. You'll now execute the capture routine. Follow the prompts deliberately. Go to Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode, authenticate with your passcode, and choose Set up Alternate Appearance. Once the camera view appears, instruct the person to look at the device and move their head slowly in a circle so the sensor records all angles. After the first pass completes, start the second scan. Change a slight expression or hair position to help the model generalize. Make sure both passes succeed before exiting. That finalizes the enrollment. You'll finish by validating and fixing problems if they arise. Test unlocking in different lighting and at small angle variations. Successful unlocks confirm a good enrollment. If recognition fails, redo the alternate appearance setup or reset Face ID entirely and enroll both faces again. Also inspect the true depth camera for smudges, remove any case blocking the sensor, and make sure iOS is current. These fixes usually resolve stubborn failures. If problems persist, contact Apple support for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.